I remember when writing research papers just meant true and utter chaos. I had Google Scholar, PubMed, and like 12 different links all lined up in my tabs. And don't even get me started on having to do all my citations manually, format them, double check them. Half the time, I couldn't even remember what each article said. All that changed with AI research assisted tools like Logically.app and Paperpile. These tools promise to help make research feel like less of a pain. And the question is simple, which one actually delivers? So in this video, I'll be testing both to see which one will fit your research needs, and in this video, you will see which one is for you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's first start off with what is Logically. Logically is an all-in-one AI research workspace for students and researchers. What sets Logically apart is how seamlessly everything connects. My research, notes, citations, and writing are fully integrated. Logically is built around 4 core features that turn it into a complete research workspace. Number 1 is the AI research assistant. So Logically gives you 3 ways to research. You can chat directly with your PDFs in document retrieval mode, scan a database of 200 million academic papers in semantic scholar mode, or search the web with scholar level precision in Google search mode. Every answer does come with properly formatted citations. Next is its reference manager, so you can upload files in multiple formats and all your references are neatly organized in one place. Then you can sort them into folders, tag them for easy scanning, and generate citations in one click. Next is Logically's file annotator, so if you ever feel like a PDF is kind of like speaking in riddles or really confusing, file annotator lets you highlight in different colors, pin sticky notes, and when a graph or dense paragraph has you stumped, you just ask AI to break it down so you can keep moving. And lastly is its document writer. Logically's document writer makes writing simpler by keeping everything in one place. You can draft and refine your work, and with just one click, insert citations that build your bibliography in over 10,000 styles. It even offers AI-powered suggestions to keep your draft moving with sharper sentences and smoother flow. Okay, so now what is Paperpile? Paperpile is a smart reference management tool designed to make organizing and citing research effortless. It brings all my papers, notes, and citations together in one place so I can finally focus more on writing and less on formatting. So here are Paperpile's key features. Number 1 is its reference management, so you can add papers to your library straight from your browser before they disappear into your black hole of whatever the downloads folder is. You can also tag and label them for easy retrieval so you'll never again waste time searching for any paper. Next is its Google Docs integration, so you can cite while you write. Inside Google Docs, Paperpile automatically formats citations and creates a full bibliography without interrupting your workflow. Next is PDF management, so you can upload, annotate, and organize PDFs effortlessly. You can also store them in Google Drive and access them from any device. Next, citation generators, you can format citations in over 10,000 styles from APA and MLA to Chicago and Vancouver, ensuring your references always meet academic standards. Okay, now that we got an overview of both tools, I'm now going to go into a detailed side-by-side comparison of both tools. Right now, I'm working on a paper about the Mandela effect, so let's see how each tool tackles this topic. So we're first starting off with discovering research papers comparison. For Paperpile, it didn't give me flashy AI searches or summaries, but integrated it with tools I already trusted like Google Scholar and made them work smarter. While searching for papers on false memory information, I opened Scholar and there it was, the Paperpile browser extension button next to every result. So I clicked on a study and it pulled in the full metadata, offered a quick PDF preview, and let me save everything directly into my Mandela effect research folder. For Logically's AI research assistant, it helped me find relevant papers without the need to doom scroll. It did not disappoint. I got a gold mine of knowledge from scientists and psychologists experimenting with different theories. For every point it made, it attached the exact paper it was referencing, so I could double check everything before anyone asks what my source is. Everything is super trusted. And with one click, I had the option to add it to my reference manager, visit the source, pick from different bibliography styles, and even preview the content. Next is the organizing references comparison. Paperpile made organization feel effortless. It integrated my Google Scholar imports easily, automatically downloading PDFs with accurate metadata like titles, authors, and DOI, so I didn't have to fix anything manually. I quickly built a main folder called Mandela Effect Research with subfolders such as Memory Theory and Social Contagion. I could easily drag the papers, and the labeling system made everything pop visually. So within minutes, my library looked clean, organized, and ready for real analysis. And Logically Reference Manager made it super simple. I could organize my references by tags, create shared library, generate citations super easily, and with all the metadata stored right with the source. Next, let's go into annotating papers comparison. With my PDF, I could open it in the file annotator. Not only did I highlight text and areas and aesthetic colors, I even dropped a bunch of sticky notes, a reminder for my future self, and questions next to confusing sections that were answered in the same note perfectly. You could also use document retrieval mode in Logically's research assistant to ask more questions or even do it in chat in the file annotator. I was also very pleased that I could cross-reference my PDF easily, and extracting explanations and info from my library where I could upload multiple papers to truly dig deeper into the topic and compare and contrast findings and sort of things like that. Opening a dense paper in Paperpile gave me a clean and quiet space to read and annotate. I could view and search for my highlights in the sidebar or even export my notes later. But unlike Logically, there was no Ask AI button to simplify complex paragraphs or connect ideas automatically. Every insight had to come from me, not a different research assistant. So Paperpile felt more like a reliable notebook. It kept my thoughts in line, but the heavy lifting of interpretation was still on me. Lastly, let's go into writing papers comparison. Since Paperpile doesn't have a native place to write, I had to draft my paper in Google Docs. It wasn't as bad though, as Paperpile seamlessly integrates with Docs, which meant I could access my library as I was writing my draft. However, despite its strong library integration, Paperpile didn't offer any AI prompts and smart suggestions that made writing in Logically so intuitive, which wasn't ideal. However, writing papers with Logically Document Writer, I could use the AI outline generator to generate me an outline to go off of to write my draft. The AI auto-suggest feature pulls from my notes and my sources and suggests sentences for me to write. Even when I hit writer's block, I can insert citations in one click. I was able to pull in any reference I wanted with an automatic bibliography generating itself at the bottom of my paper. It was super seamless and a great way to finish up the research process. Now let's go into costs. Paperpile has 3 different pricing plans. Number 1 is its free 30-day trial, so you get all your features included in the span of 30 days. After the 30-day trial is done, you can sign up for the academic plan, which is $3 a month. It has all the features included, so being able to highlight and comment on your PDFs, share papers, and reference management in Google Docs. Lastly, there's its $9.99 per month business plan, where you have all your features included, but it's more for businesses and industry users. But this price kind of reflects how much Paperpile can do, as it's more of an extension in addition to the Google workspace in general. For Logically, there are 2 plans. Number 1 is the free plan, so you get access to all the products and access to most features, 5 AI auto suggestions, chat messages, and queries per mini tool per day with 500 megabytes of file storage. So you get to try out all the features on your own terms and see if you like it or not. And you have 500 megabytes of storage to do whatever you want, go crazy. And then you have the unlimited plan, which is $12 a month, and this has access to all premium features, unlimited AI auto suggestions, commands, chat messages, mini tool queries, reference and file storage, so unlimited everything just for $12 a month. And students get 50% off discount, and that's only $6 a month, and I am a college student, so that is a pretty sweet deal. Okay, so now we went through the whole research process. Which tool should you use? Use Paperpile when you need clean, reliable reference management that integrates perfectly with Google Docs. It excels at collecting papers from Google Scholar, organizing them, and inserting citations while you write. Paperpile does not have any AI writing features, but it nails the technical sides of perfect citation. If your workflow is mainly Google-based and you like to handle citations separately, Paperpile is super efficient for you. However, use Logically if you're working on serious research projects that need multiple sources, organization, writing, annotation. The bottom line is Logically is for complete research workflows, not just quick PDF questions. Either way, both are going to help you level up your research game in some way. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!